Now let us withdraw from our Busha account. Now this is the process to withdraw from your Busha account into your local bank. So here is my Busha. I don't really have anything in my Busha account for now, but I'll still show you. Okay, so I have a balance of 51 naira 53 kobo. So I'll click on withdraw. What am I withdrawing? Naira. Not Bitcoin, not Ethereum, not Litecoin, but Naira. So clicking on Naira, see my bank account. I click on it. It shows me, wow, I only have 50 Naira to withdraw. So I type 50, 0. I click on next. Error. You cannot withdraw that. Why? Because I don't have insufficient amount to withdraw. The reason is because there is always a 50 naira charge for your transfer. So if they collect this 50 naira charge for my transfer, I'm left with nothing. So I can't really do that right now. Sorry. But all you need to do when you click next is to take you to the remaining process and then you complete your transaction. Thank you.